Madwar 6,000 żagħżugħ u żagħżugħa mir-Renju Unit, l-Irlanda u l-Iskozja imlew Buġibba u San Pawl il-Baħar. Għall-ewwel darba, id-DJ Irlandiża Annie Mac għażlet lil pajjiżna biex f'din iż-żona jittella l-Festival Lost and Found. Għal 3 ijiem San Pawl il-Baħar u Buġibba qed joffru ambjent vibranti.
Yeah, it's a lovely venue. Sort of really good weather, good vibes, everyone's having a good time.
Yeah, absolutely, really good area. We came down yesterday, absolutely love it.
It's absolutely beautiful, the weather's glorious, we're all having a really good time and we're so glad we came.
It's beautiful, a really lovely place, yeah, we really like
And
it.
the food's beautiful.
Place, lovely area, great weather, what more could you ask for?
Għal-bosta il-festival servat opportunità biex iżuru pajjiżna għall-ewwel darba. Għalhekk ħatfu l-opportunità biex iqattaw iżjed jiem.
Till Monday?
So we leave on Tuesday, so we've
Yeah,
got about 5
so,
days.
yeah.
So.
1 week.
1 week.
1 week.
For 1 week.
Staying here 5 nights, just enough to get over our hangovers.
In Malta, we're here till Wednesday.
First time in Malta, but definitely not the last.
Fil-waqt li dawn iż-żgħażagħ qed igawdu mużika u jieħdu gost, l-istess nistgħu ngħidu għan-negozji li permezz ta' dan il-festival raw stimulu ekonomiku li mhux daqshekk imdorrijin bih għal dan il-perjodu.
Qed jonfu ħafna flus, qed jixorbu ħafna ġifieri ikel għaddejjin gas dawn, ġifieri sejrin tajjeb s'issa.
Hemm overflow ta' nies jiġu hemm spaċċat hemm il-barrijiet jiġu hawn jiklu xi ħaġa naqra aktar ta' kwiet, jieħdu drink bil-kwiet minn flok bl-istorbju.
Kien hawn iktar milli normalment fl-Easter nkunu daqsxejn iktar busy ma għamel impatt differenti.
Yes, it's epic. I mean, we are so busy. I never see my place that busy, with these English people, I mean, I want every day like this.